How's it going, everybody? My name's Legend Dragon, and we're gonna play Sonic X. I cannot do this. I have to do this on the phone because somehow it's not working on the computer. So yeah, it's gonna look really crappy. So okay, there's Tails right here. I'm doing this because it's Halloween. Turn up the volume. Wait. There we go. Oh shit. Shit, what the hell? Just going here, what the hell? Just walking forward. What the hell is wrong here? The song is creepy like... The fuck? What the hell is that? That thing looks like a dog or something. What the hell? Oh, there's a bunny. There's a bunny right there. No. There's more fucking heads there. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. This is so scary. Wow. What? Why did the song stop? Well, let's just keep going forward. The heck? Oh my god, this weird noise. What the fuck? His eyes are red. Oh my god. Hello, do you want to play with me? No. Hide and seek. What? You telling me to go that way? That way? Should we go this way? Oh shit. Oh crap, what the fuck? Oh my god. He's catching up. Run! Run, you asshole! Run! Run, Tails! What the fuck are you doing? Run! He's catching up! Oh my god. What are you doing? Stop crying. Move! What are you doing? You're just crying there. Oh my god. What the hell? So what's going on? Oh, what the? Hey, like, you're too slow. Wanna try again? Sonic is really fast, but what the fuck? Knuckles, let's see. Alright, we're playing as Knuckles. Quit that fucking laugh already. Turn up the volume a bit. There you go. Oh shit. You can't run. Shit. So what else? Knuckles. We're Knuckles here. We're on this spaceship thingy. So what? We're just running this way? Oh, we're running. Oh my god, it's floating. It's just like that. Oh my god, you go. Where do you get those hover boots, man? Where do you get those hover boots, Knuckles? Where do you get them? Tell me where you get that store. Where's that store at? You got it in an obvious store? What the fuck? It's going. What the hell is wrong with this? Okay. Oh wait. Oh, how do you do this thing? Oh, there we go. Whoa, shit. What the fuck? Knuckles, what's going on here? What the fuck is like the? Oh my god, there's blood there. Good thing you're not touching that blood, Knuckles. Good thing you have those hover boots on. You got fucking hover boots. Oh snap! What the fuck? He's going like, down you. Holy shit! What the fuck is this sound? Get him! What the fuck is wrong with this thing? Oh my god, Knuckles. You're moving so slow. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god. Holy shit, man. I'm so scared. I don't want to play this anymore. So many souls to play with, so little time. We agree. I don't want to play this anymore. Oh my god, I feel like turning down the volume. I don't know if you can hear with this phone thing on, but fucking shit. Right, we're playing as Dr. Eggman. Like, holy shit, you can see them right there. Holy crap, they're all like covered in blood. Triple dot. Okay, like, oh my god, it's Dr. Everybody's like, ooh, vibrations. You like that vibration? What the hell are you doing? You have those... What are you doing? You have some little jacking off thing machine in your pants or something? Is that how you're doing this thing? Oh my god, he wants to fly. Look at that. Look at that, he wants to fly. I wanna fly out of here. I wanna get away from all of this. Fly, Eggman, fly. Just fly. What the fuck is wrong? Like, what? What the hell are you doing? You're riding a motorcycle backwards? What the fuck is that? What the fuck are you doing? Shit. What the hell? What the fuck? We're just keep going forward. Like, no, I don't want to go. You know, go back up. Go back. What the fuck? You're so fat. You can't even climb up the stairs, man. What the? Look, Eggman is so fucking fat. He cannot even climb upstairs that well. What the fuck? Why don't you just curl up and just roll downstairs like the egg you are and just crack open and shit? What the hell? This. The fuck? Oh shit. The fuck? Oh snap. Shit. I'll turn down the volume. What the fuck is wrong here? What the fuck? Oh snap! What the fuck? Sonic's so creepy. I am God. No, you're not fucking God. You're not fucking God. What the fuck are you doing? Shit, this is gonna give me a fucking nightmare. Shit, the fuck? What? Oh shit. Stop doing that shit. Holy crap. Oh my god. Stop doing that shit. Now what? Whoa. Now what? What's wrong with this? The fuck? That's it? Oh. Ready for round 2? Round 2? Okay. What the? Game over. What the hell? Holy shit, he's got their heads. No shit. What the fuck? I don't like these sounds. What the fuck? What's wrong with these sounds? What the fuck? So that's probably it? So scary. My god. What the fuck? Oh well, I guess that's it. So like and friend if you enjoy and subscribe. Like, I don't know. I haven't done a video in so long. Shit. This is starting to fucking creep me out. Turn that music off. What the fuck? Turn it off. No! Shit. No. Fucking turn that shit off. Turn that shit off. Turn that shit fucking off. There we go. The fuck was that? Shit. Holy snap.